Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered how C++ apps talk to databases, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down C++ database connectivity, step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and totally jargon-free. So, why connect C++ to a database? Imagine you're building a game and want to save player scores, or maybe you're making an inventory system. Databases let your programs store and retrieve data easily, making them way more powerful. Now, most C++ programs use libraries to connect with databases. Two of the most popular are MySQL Connector /C++ and SQLite. MySQL is fantastic for big projects, while SQLite is lightweight and perfect for smaller apps or just learning the ropes. Oh, let's talk basics. Here's what you typically do. First, you install a database and the connector library. Then, in your C++ code, you include the right headers, set up a connection and send some SQL queries. SQL is just a language databases speak, things like select, insert, update, and delete. Picture this, you want to save a new high score. In your C++ code, you'd write an SQL insert statement, pass it to the database, and boom, your score is stored. Need to see all scores? Just change that to a select statement. Don't forget handle errors. Always check if your connection was successful and if your queries worked. It saves big headaches later. If you're just starting out, I recommend trying SQLite. It's super easy to set up, no servers, just a single file. You'll be connecting, saving, and retrieving data in no time. And that's the basics. Connecting C++ to a database might sound scary, but with the right tools, it's totally doable, even as a beginner. So go on, try it out, and watch your C++ projects level up.